So to add your Facebook pixel onto your website, on your WordPress website, you need to go to your dashboard. And on your dashboard, you need to go to Add New Plugin. And once you go to your plugins, you need to search for Facebook Pixel. And once you search for Facebook Pixel, the plugin that I recommend using is the official Facebook Pixel. This is created by Facebook, so it's pretty easy to use. It's just add in a code and you can enter your code in seconds and it'll start working for you within the hour. Now, once you have that installed, you need to go to your installed plugins and search for your new plugin. So that's the official Facebook pixel. Now go to your settings and you'll see this pixel ID. It'll actually be empty before when you go to this page. So what you need to do is go to your Facebook manager and go to your events manager, go down to pixels, and once you go to your pixels, this is the page you'll see, and there is your pixel ID. You need to double click that, copy, go into your Facebook pixel settings on your WordPress, and paste it in here and save changes. Once you do that, your Facebook pixel will start working within the hour.